Hi, I'm Cassidy with 25 years of teaching experience in restorative movement and mindful strength. I've seen how often we ignore the deep reflexive core, those muscles that activate before we even think to move. In this 4-part Core Reboot series, we will gently wake up your core system through simple yet powerful exercises. This first session is all about activating and aligning. We'll focus on deep connection, quality of movement, and whole body integration. This practice is designed to meet you where you are. Listen to your body and modify anything that doesn't feel right. And remember, it's not about doing everything perfectly. Instead, notice what feels like your weakest link and work with that gently. Consistency is key. Aim to do these exercises 4 times a week to feel real progress. And over time, you'll feel more ease and stability and support from the inside out. Okay, let's get started. We're going to start with the supine core reach and tuck. You're going to lay down on your back with your knees bent, your feet flat, arms straight toward the ceiling. You're going to start with the tuck of the pelvis as you go into your upper ab curl, lifting your head and shoulders off the mat and returning slowly back to home base and repeating that, focusing on the deep scoop of the belly as you initiate the movement from your center, not your neck. Feeling your rectus abs, the front of your neck, the low belly working. Taking your time, thinking about the quality of movement. You should feel it go straight into your abdominals. If you feel any pressure in the back of your neck or lower back, you want to stop and rest. You really want to feel this in the front line of your body. Initiating each tuck of the pelvis with the abs, scooping out the belly, trying to maintain that hollow belly as you curl up. And coming all the way back into neutral each time. Almost done. You got this. And then you can go ahead and rest. Nice work. Next, we're going into extension with arm sweep, going into your flight position, feeling the active legs, glutes, abs, upper back, sweeping your arms overhead and then back to the starting position. You're going to do it 6 times. Trying to keep your head in line with your spine, staying active in the back line of your body. Almost done. And then you're going to completely relax and go into a child's pose to rest, reaching your arms long in front of you above your head, stretching out your lats and shoulders, pressing your hips down toward your heels, feeling the stretch in your low back, taking some nice deep breaths here into the back and side of your ribs. Stay here as long as you need, giving your body a chance to rest. Nicely done. We're going to finish with the seated C curve with side reach. You're going to sit with your knees bent, feet flat, hands behind your thighs. You're going to go into a small C curve, bring your right arm up and side bend over to your left. And then you're going to return to center. And then you're going to switch sides. Starting with that C curve, hollowing out the belly, feeling the deep abs kicking in, bringing the left arm up, side bending over to your right. Keep trying to hollow out the belly. And then coming back to home base. You're going to do this 3 times for each side. Really focusing on the connection into your deep abdominals. trying to pull navel to spine. You're not going to side bend very far. It's not a big movement. Lifting up in the belly as you pull back. Keeping the belly active as you side bend. Really feeling it nice and low in the belly. Hollowing out the belly. Excellent. Nice work. Well done. Great job finishing part 1 of the Core Reflex Reboot. This is where we begin to build deep, sustainable strength from the inside out. In part 2, we'll add rotational control and gentle coordination work to deepen your connection. And I will see you there. Bye for now. Special shout out to my Vital 7 stars. Thank you for making this video happen.